Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix incoming calls not showing on display problem in Realme Narzo 50i. So before I start the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix incoming calls problem or your incoming calls are not showing on display problem in Realme Narzo 50i, simply first of all you just need to tap on call settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.